This is Monday the 23rd of March 2026 with the Irish National Kildare. I'm at the Sun Cherry Yard. Now I'm just going to introduce some mares that I haven't met before. This is Shanozal, is it? Shamozal, is it?
Shamozal, yeah.
Shamozal. She's her stars, Glen Eagle. Her dam is
Sibilance.
She's visiting Ordad. She's a foal to Gaia, due to foal the 10th of the 3rd.
19th to 3rd.
19th of the 3rd, so it's about 26. Yeah. Some mares I haven't met before. Terse is back.
Cadell Kirsch.
I thought it said Terse was sold, Liam. Didn't you say Terse was sold?
Thought you did, yeah.
Remember they said that? Remember, wasn't she on the sales ring and golf?
Yeah, I think so.
Wasn't she though? Did you remember seeing her on the sale ring?
I thought so, yeah.
Terse, yeah. And I have her name card at home, don't I? On one of my doors.
Yeah.
At hall in the hall. I think it's I think it's on the spare room. It's on the guest room door, isn't it? Terse.
Yeah, I mixed it up with Kirsch. Is there a horse called Kirsch?
And there was Terse also, I think, was also there too. Terse, yeah. I got Zippy's back. Sounds silly. It was damn cut short. Be done by the Irish National Store. She's supposed to should have been a ring. It's due to fall on the 24th of the 3rd, 26th. Dream away!
Oh, good old Dream away.
Dream away, my friend Dream away. She's her star is Oasis Dream. Her dam is I can't see that. Was that Lish away, is it?
Lish away, yeah.
Lish away. She's owned by the Irish National School. Due to fall, she's involved. She should have been a ring. Due to fall on the. I can see that. What date is that?
The 4th of April.
4th of April.
3 scoops for some reason.
Anya
Velina.
Sardo with Dream again.
Eska.
You're actually staying as well. And go to
Minzal.
Due to fall the 5th of the 4th, is that right?
Yeah.
I'm surprised I can see because I'm wearing my long distance glasses. This is my recent glasses I wear. All our tomorrows. I've been that necklace mare before. All our tomorrows. I think she was here before, wasn't she? All our tomorrows.
I think so.
Yeah.
BMC, BM Memberships.
Tillman. Jam is just look.
Don't touch.
Oh yeah, I recognise that. That's Sarah's name. Yeah. I mean that's Sarah Dam's name. Look like she's staying as well. It doesn't say foreign only. But it say foreign only if she was staying. If she was staying, it would say foreign only. It doesn't say foreign only beside that. And forward to up to Vega. Due to fall the 11th was the 4th or the 6th. And you might be chipped too. Let's stay close in because of the titanium sky.
Good
Remember titanium sky? She was here. I think it was last year, 2 years ago. She's a grey.
Yeah.
We used to say that we had also her in the woodchip field. Remember? I know they're not using the woodchip field this year. Do you know that they're not
Yeah, I
using?
know, so.
No, they're keeping all out in the field, and they're putting them then after they're putting them in the hay shed.
Yeah.
Afterwards, so I know they're not using the hay shed now this year. Or the woodchip field. Cause I used to enjoy saying hello to them in the woodchip field. You know that? I used to enjoy saying hello to them in the woodchip field. It was good fun, wasn't it? Saying hello to them in the hay
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Good one, yeah. Titanium Sky, Stars, Dark Angel, Dam is Cheese or Mark. Like he's staying as well. And Gold should have been a ring again. Oh, no, sorry. Star Spangled Banger. Big one. Star Spangled Banger. Dutiful, the 10th of the 4th, 26. B minor shift again. Homeless Songs. That name rings a bell. Homeless Songs.
Yeah, Homeless Songs, yeah.
Recognize that name?
Recognize the name.
Yeah, Homeless Songs.
Frankel.
Frankel, yeah, I remember her, yeah. Frankel. I remember her, yeah, Frankel. Dam is... What's it?
Joliere. High Risk.
In Bold to See the Stars. Beautiful, the 10th of the 4th, 26. Be a market trip again. Oh, it could be a market trip.
Yeah.
We've seen that one. Sardiba, what was his name? We've seen that one, haven't we?
Mm.
Search for a song. Polish Gem. We've seen her already too, haven't we?
Polish Gem.
Yeah, we've seen that one, haven't we?
Galileo.
Yeah, she's a daughter of Bar. She's a sister of that Frigo. We've seen her already. Yeah.
High Risk.
Yeah, you've seen her already.
Do you not put in the stocks? Sedate to open. Yeah, sedate to open, I think.
You've seen her chick, Hunting Clouds. Princess Highway. I've seen her too. Tocco di Amore. Ravens Pass. Dam Spirit of Tara. What's she staying? Bold to Zoo Nation. Dutiful. 16th, is it? Of the 4th, alright?
Yeah.
As far as I can see, at least I'm around distance glass. Sagrada Familia.
Oh, yeah.
Sagrada Familia's back. I've got Sagrada Familia Lynch is back. Golden Horn. Dam is Long Edge Dance. Irish National Stud. Dutiful. If all two Star Spangled. Oh, sorry. Should have been a ring. God, that name's impossible to say. Should have been a ring. Dutiful. 24th of the what?
March.
24th of March. That's tomorrow, isn't it? That's tomorrow, really. Poppin'. Well, didn't you see her before? Is it Pop? Is it? Oh, no.
Good old Poplin.
Is that right? Is that how you say?
Poplin, yeah.
Is that right? Poppin', yeah.
Poplin, yeah.
Medician.
Medician.
Is what?
Medician.
Medician, yeah. The Dam is
Pongi, you know?
yeah. And she's visiting
Delta Quo.
He's a new one. He's new in Kumo. He's new starting in Kumo. He's just starting. It's his first season. This is first season this year. Go to Nathaniel. Beautiful. The 26th, is that right? 24, 26. Natural. MF. What MF? What's MF mean?
I don't know.
What country is that? MF.
I don't think it's a country. Could it be Maiden, Philly? I'm not sure. Maiden something.
No, but this was the country she's from.
Could be a Maiden, yeah, could be a country. Madagascar.
Dam is
Nahood.
What she's dating. In bold to August Roladin. Beautiful. The 11th of the 4th, 26th. Refer to A-L-E-H-L and not E.
I know what that means.
What?
EH means Equine Hospital. So the name of the hospital, Alan Leach or something, Equine Hospital. I'm not sure in the AL, but EH means Equine Hospital.
M is Maiden. Hey, do you know? You see her already, haven't we? Expert. Huh?
Yeah, I think so. Espoir de Soleil. Galileo horse.
Oh, she's back, yeah. We know her. We've known that mare for a long time.
Yeah.
That's the French one, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Or the, what do you call it? We know her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, go through the details. Wasn't it again Galileo?
Galileo, yeah.
What was it again?
Espoir de Soleil.
Yeah, and the stars Galileo, Dame is Lady Luck. Involved to go
Up
to Vega.
yeah.
Dutiful. When is it?
5th of the 4th.
5th of the 4th. They're all inside. They're all in the field. Yellow. Oh, it's yellow. Making light. Excuse me. Tell, what's that?
Tomatoes.
Dam is instant sparkle. We go to Nathaniel. Beautiful. It's a 15, is it?
Yeah.
15 with the 4. Wonderful Queen. That's a nice name. Wonderful Queen. Sir Harry Angel. Never lose. Yeah, she's staying too. Involved to Bungle in the Jungle. Dutiful. 21st.
20th.
From here look like the 21st. 20th of the
3rd.
Look at the 5th there. Looks like the 5th there.
Yeah, no, 3rd. See? Yeah, 3rd, yeah. BMC, big microchips.
Anfield girl! Anfield is back, Liam! What's that? Anfield is back! No, she isn't in the bag. She's out in the field, then. Anfield. And her Sarah Star Spangle Banger. Her dam is. How do you pronounce that?
Gravile. I think so.
Yeah.
Nana Prado.
She's on home by the store, don't know. She's home by the we go to Nanda Parado. I said. Beautiful. Was it the 12th? Was it? 12th?
12th, yeah.
12th of the 4th, wasn't it?
3rd.
12th of the 3rd, isn't it? Because of those, I mean. Now, I can't even pronounce them. What's that?
MSQ, I don't know. MQSE, the maintenance.
Sar is
Muhammar.
Mullamar. Jam is
Arivi.
You're really good at pronouncing the names. Yeah.
Akrivi, yes.
The visit Venus is Spain. Involved to Camelot. Dutiful. When? Let's see.
20th of the 3rd. What day is it today?
The 23rd.
23rd, yeah.
You should know that. Dragon's birthday.
Yeah.
By the way, we're doing Anthem later on. Dragon Pulse's birthday, folks. What's this one?
Titivation. Titivation.
And Sarah's Monchu. Monchu, whose hurricane fly is Sarah. Two. Hurricane fly is Sarah.
Try.
Monchu. Jam is.
Sortation.
He's not staying. Tony Goal, you know. In fold 2, make believe. Dutiful. Well,
30th.
30th of the
3rd. That's it.
Okay, pause that.